LMNAs offer you the best enterprise resource planning-based solutions to simplify your business IT. We cover the major portfolios of education, manufacturing and healthcare. In operations, especially, there are many cool features which makes your work easy. Buying. Material request. A material request is a simple document identifying a requirement of a set of items, products or services, for a particular reason. A material request can have the following purposes. If the material being requested is to be purchased. If the material being requested is to be produced. Purchase order. A purchase order is a binding contract with your supplier that you promise to buy a set of items under given conditions. Purchase invoice. A purchase invoice is a bill you receive from your suppliers against which you need to make the payment. Request for quotation. A request for quotation is a document that an organization sends to one or more suppliers asking a quotation for items. Supplier. Suppliers are companies or individuals who provide you with products or services. Supplier quotation. A supplier quotation is a document by a potential supplier specifying the cost of goods or services they'll provide within a specified period. Procurement Tracker. The Procurement Tracker allows a user to monitor the process of obtaining goods. It provides information about the user requesting the purchase, the warehouse it was requested from, along with the quantity of the requested item. It also provides a comparison between the estimated cost of the goods at the time of requisition versus actual cost of obtaining them along with the date at which the goods were obtained. This ensures reviewing, ordering, delivery, and billing management for goods involved in the procurement process. Stock. A stock entry lets you record item movement between warehouses. Stock ledger report. A stock ledger report is a detailed record that keeps track of stock movements for a company. Inward or outward transactions related to manufacturing, purchasing, selling, and stock transfers are recorded in the stock ledger, which then is reflected in the stock ledger report. Serial number. A serial number record is maintained for each quantity of that item. This information helps track the location of the serial number, its warranty and end-of-life, expiry, information. Assets. The asset record is the heart of fixed asset management. All the transactions related to an asset like purchasing, sales, depreciation, scrapping, movement, or maintenance will be managed against the asset record. Asset location shows where an asset is located. The assets that your organization owns can be located at various facilities like administrative offices, manufacturing plants, warehouses, etc. Project. A project is a planned piece of work that is designed to find information about something, to produce something new, or to improve something. Human resources. Recruitment. Job opening. A job opening is a job vacancy in your company. You can make a record of the open vacancies in your company using job opening. Employee life cycle management. Employee life cycle management relates to the various stages an employee goes through during the employment with an organization. It is important for most enterprises' HR departments to keep records of these changes that the employees go through across the company. Training program. Training program defines programs designed for training employees or other individuals in specific skills. Employee. An individual who works part-time or full-time under a contract of employment, and has recognized rights and duties of your company is your employee. Here, you can manage the employee master. It captures the demographic, personal and professional details, joining and leave details, etc. of the employee. Attendance. Attendance is a record stating whether an employee has been present on a particular day or not. Here, you can mark and record attendance of an employee on a daily basis. Performance appraisal. A performance appraisal is a method by which the job performance of an employee is documented and evaluated. Fleet management. Fleet Management section of Human Resources helps your organization manage their fleet of vehicles and track their expenses. Accounting. Whether you have an accountant in your internal team or you do it yourself or you have chosen to outsource it, the financial accounting process is at the center of any business management system. Accounting can be divided into several fields including financial accounting, management accounting, external auditing, tax accounting and cost accounting. Accounting information systems are designed to support accounting functions and related activities. GST reports. We come with most of your reports you need to prepare your GST returns. General Ledger. The General Ledger is a detailed report for all transactions posted to each account, and for every transaction there is a credit and debit account, so it lists them all up. Consolidated financial statements. The report shows a consolidated view of balance sheet, profit and loss statement and cash flow for a group company, by merging financial statements of all the subsidiary companies. It shows balances for all individual company and as well as accumulated balances for a group company. And that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for your interest and attention.